Alright, pilots and aviation enthusiasts, check this out. I've got the Piccolo Aviation Kneeboard from Design for Pilots. And let me tell you, this thing is slick. First impressions? It just feels quality. They say it's made of genuine eco-friendly leather, and it definitely has that premium feel. It's not stiff or plasticky like some other kneeboards I've used. It's got a nice, supple texture, and I can already tell it's going to be comfortable on those long flights. Now, let's talk functionality. The star of the show here is this low-profile clip. It's super secure. Your papers aren't going anywhere, trust me. But it's also easy to use. You can quickly slide your charts in and out, no fumbling around, which is crucial when you're in the cockpit. And it's surprisingly strong. I loaded it up with a bunch of papers, and it held everything tight. No bending, no slipping, nothing. One thing I really appreciate about the Piccolo is its modern design. It's not overly bulky or flashy. It's sleek and professional looking. It's got this understated elegance that I think pilots will really dig. It's not screaming for attention, but it definitely looks the part. It blends in perfectly with the cockpit environment. And speaking of blending in, the size is just right. It's big enough to hold standard charts and documents comfortably, but it's not so big that it gets in the way. It fits snugly on my leg, and I don't feel like it's restricting my movement at all. This is a big deal, especially during critical phases of flight. You need to be able to move freely and comfortably. Now, about that eco-friendly leather. I'm always happy to see companies making an effort to be more sustainable. It's good for the planet, and it's good for us. And honestly, you wouldn't even know it's eco-friendly just by looking at it or feeling it. It has the same look and feel as traditional leather. So, you're getting the same quality and performance without the environmental impact. So, who is this kneeboard for? I'd say it's perfect for any pilot, from student pilots to seasoned professionals. It's also great for anyone who needs a reliable and stylish clipboard, whether you're a flight instructor, a dispatcher, or even just someone who likes to take notes on the go. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Piccolo Aviation Kneeboard. It's well-made, functional, and stylish. It's got that perfect balance of form and function. It's the kind of kneeboard that you'll be proud to use, and it's built to last. If you're in the market for a new kneeboard, definitely check this one out. It's a winner in my book. It's a little investment that will pay off big time in the long run. You won't be disappointed.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.